Have you just received a refusal for your Canada visit visa? You may still have options. Today, I will explain how to appeal a Canada visit visa refusal, what steps to take next, and how we can help you. First, understand the reasons for refusal. The first step is to understand why your application was refused. It may be due to lack of travel history, insufficient funds, the purpose of the visit is not clear, ties to the home country are not convincing, or the suspicion you won't return after your trip. Afterwards, you need to ask if you can appeal a Canada visit visa refusal. Unlike some countries, Canada does not have a formal visa appeal process for temporary visit visas, but you have these key options. First, reapply. If the refusal is based on missing documents or minor errors, you can reapply with stronger evidence. Second, judicial review. If you believe the visa officer made an unfair or unreasonable decision, you can take the matter to the federal court in Canada, which is why you need an immigration lawyer. Here's what many people do wrong. They reapply without fixing the issues that caused the first refusal. Or worse, they use the same documents and expect a different result. At Law and Visas, we have handled many Canada visa refusals. Here's what we do. Help you retrieve your GCMS notes. Explain the real reason for the refusal. Advise on the best next step, which is either to reapply or seek judicial review. Rebuild your application with stronger documents. Draft legal representations to support your case. So, if your Canada visit visa was refused, don't rush into a second application blindly. Let's help you understand the refusal properly and decide the smartest next move. Contact us today and don't forget to subscribe, share, and follow for more visa tips and updates.